I have some really great friends. I have more, but they don't come around anymore. They can't. I get it. They're afraid, I know, but it still hurts. Like my boyfriend. I know he loves me. You know, we're gonna get married and have children. But he hasn't come to see me. I haven't heard from him since I've been here, and that's been 2 weeks now. He's afraid. I know, but it gets to me. He refused to believe the doctors when I was diagnosed. He was convinced they had made some big mistake. But he knows better now. I know what he's thinking. He's thinking, whoa, what if we get married and have children and then she dies? But I have a plan. I'm gonna call him up and say, hey, look, I know you're worried about kids. So what? We weren't planning to have them right away anyhow. So let's just go ahead and get married, and in about 5 years or so, then we'll talk about having children. My parents, they'd be so mad at me if I had a kid in the right way anyhow. I gotta finish college first. Oh, my parents, they are amazing. They're from Europe. My father, he's this real big guy, you know, strong and stout like a bear, but he's really gentle. And my mother, she's little, but she's a firecracker. She's so beautiful. And they come and they visit me every day, and they sit with me for as long as the nurses allow, and we'll just sit there and we'll hold hands and we'll talk and we'll laugh and we'll sing. Like a chair is still a chair, even when there's no one sitting there. But a chair is not a house, and a house is not a home when there's no one there to turn the key. Oh, please be there. Sometimes we don't sing. We don't laugh, and we don't talk. We'll sit there and we'll hold hands and just look at each other. It's so silent. And it hurts. Because they're in so much pain because of me. And there's nothing I can do to stop it.